We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at apartment 5A. This is a 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment here on floor 5 of this 9-floor building. Let's go on and take a look. This apartment has a unique setup. We've got a bathroom on our left, another bathroom on our left as well. And you can see we've got a long hallway. Let's see the bedrooms first, and we'll come back to the bedrooms at the end. Our first bedroom, room 1, is on the right. All of the bedrooms will have the same furnishings. There will be a full-size bed, a desk and chair, a dresser, and this nice 6-foot-tall bookshelf over here. Everyone will have a window. These first 3 rooms are facing on Dryden Road. We're on the 5th floor of this building, but Collegetown Plaza's entrance or lobby level is on floor 4 because of the unique hilly nature of this Collegetown neighborhood. So we are just 1 level above the street for these front-facing rooms. The next room, room 2, is also a Dryden Road facing apartment. Rooms 1 and 2 are about the same for size. You can see over here, still on Dryden Road. All of the rooms will have a closet. All of the bedrooms will have a deadbolt lock on the door. You also have that deadbolt lock on your apartment door. There will be a mailbox key that everyone has a lock to. The mailboxes are in the lobby, and everyone also gets a tag to get into the front door. Here's room 3. Room 3 has a slightly different shape, so it's a little wider. So again, still here on Dryden Road in room 3. Let's go through into the common spaces. This apartment is sort of triangular shaped. So we've got the kitchen over on our left. I like the kitchen here. This is a renovated kitchen, so we have the newer updated appliances, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, stove, and oven. And you can see over on our right, the TV does come in the apartment. Some living room furniture here. There is an air conditioner, which is a room unit that's here for the living room and kitchen area. So again, Dryden Road. And you can see right across from us over on the left, that's Cascadilla Dorm. So you can see how close we are to that part of campus on the Collegetown or south side of campus. As we go back through the kitchen, this is room 4. This is the most unique room we have in the whole building because we've got, look at these gorgeous windows that wrap around. If you're coming up Dryden Road, you'll see that Collegetown Plaza looks like it has a pointy end. This is that bedroom. So that's a nice feature here, super bright. So keep that in mind for whoever chooses this room. You definitely want to enjoy the light for the person in this room. This is a more compact room, so we don't have as much floor space because again, we're in the point of the building. We'll go through and see those last 2 bedrooms and then the bathrooms. So we're on the other side, we're going to see room 5. Rooms 5 and 6 are about the same floor space. They're just laid out a little differently. So here as we get into room 5, you can see there's a desk over there. I like how they put the desk there. It fits very nicely in that nook. The closet is directly next to it. We can peek in there, see in another closet while we're in this room. We've got 1 more room and then the bathrooms. This apartment is available on floors 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, this is the 6-bedroom with 2 full bathrooms. You have that second shower, which is a nice feature. This is room 6. So again, the same floor space is room 5, just laid out a little differently. Let's go on over. This one, I think, also gets some good sky over to the left. And so there we go, room 5. So room 4 is the one that has all the windows and is a little smaller. Okay, let's see the 2 bathrooms. This is the larger of the 2 bathrooms. This is directly across from room 1. You can see the medicine cabinet. There's the sink and the full-size tub shower over here. The next bathroom is right by the entrance. That blue door is the door we came in. This is the smaller bathroom. We have a standing shower, so the shower there. You got your medicine cabinet again, toilet, and a sink. So that's a look at apartment 5A. This is a 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment here in Collegetown Plaza. We're located at 111 Dryden Road, and we're just 1 block from campus.